Hey everybody, Chad and Jules with the Knowles Woolsey Team Remax Hallmark. Che, welcome to 41 Mennill Drive in beautiful Snow Valley.
That's right, Chad. This area is beautiful and it's only matched by this amazing home. To fully finished living space plus a full finished lower level, this home is perfection.
My personal favorite is a nice private over 200 feet deep lot, perfect for a pool. Come on in and take a look.
Some of my favorite features about this custom floor plan are just how light and airy this space feels, and that's achieved through oversized windows and the great ceiling height. Another really unique feature about this kitchen is the fact that the island can be heated. If you're cold like me, you just crank it up. If not, keep it off.
As Jules mentioned, we have a custom floor plan here. One thing I like about it the most is the size of the ensuite. A really generous sized walk-in closet, master bedroom. Privacy is in mind because all you got to do is shut the door.
This lower level literally checks off all the boxes. Whether you like to entertain or you just need additional living space, you've got it all here.
Absolutely, Jules, this basement's got it covered. Whether you're looking to play pool, watch the game, control everything off the iPad, including the sound. You got an extra 2 bedrooms here. One could be an office if you want. You have a 4-piece bath and your own gym. Entrance and exit out to the garage if you need that as well.
This low-maintenance composite deck with covered porch is the perfect place to relax and unwind. Whether the sun's shining or it's raining or snowing, you can still enjoy the outdoors.
Lots of room in the backyard for storage, whether it's your garage that fits 3 cars or a tractor in the back or 2 additional sheds, I think you're covered.
You know, Chad, one of the things that we haven't talked about is the highlight of living in this area.
Absolutely, a resort's just around the corner. Whether you're looking for skiing, snowboarding, tubing, or just the trails, I think it's about a 3-minute walk. How about a little wardrobe change and
We'll meet you over there. We're here in under 3 minutes.
That's right, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, that's how long it's going to take you to drop your kids off at work or come hang out at the hill every night. How do I know? Because that's what my wife and I did when we were kids. For more information on this listing or more like, visit our website.